So this 15 sum we have completed yesterday, right? So today we will start from this page, okay? From this page. Understood? Up to this, all of you completed though. But due to network issue, I was unable to check all the copy, okay? Yes, though. So today I'll check all the copies, okay? First, let me complete the classwork. Then I am going to check this page number 74, these sums, okay? Which you have done yesterday. Now, all of you take out your copies first. Achha, now there is a property that is called commutative actually, but in the higher class, you know, the name will be commutative, okay? Right now, no need to remember about this word, okay? Basically, if what you will remember, that is order property, okay? Order property of multiplication. All of you at first write this, give this heading. Acha, before that, put the date and write CW, okay? Almost every day I am saying, put the date 27th of July and then write CW. All of you then make a bullet, okay, and write order property of multiplication. Okay, now no need to write this one right now. At first, let me explain, okay? Basically, what is order property? Order property means if we change the order, ultimately no matters. What? If we change the order, ultimately in the answer or in the resultant value, there will be no change. Okay, just look at this. Suppose all of you given the heading order property. So now look at this. Wait for a minute. Let me clear the screen. Yes. Suppose we are multiplying 4 into 3. So what will be the value? Say, first try to understand, then write. So what will be the value? 4 3s are 12. Yes. Now, what is order properties? If we change its order, look, here 3 is in last, 4 is in the first position. So if we change its place, we are taking this 3 first position and 4 last position, okay? That means it will be 3 into 4. Look at this. We have taken this 3 first position. It already, these are changing their position. Look, and 4 has come to the last position. Yes. So ultimately, what is going to happen here? Look, if we change the position, ultimately the answer will be same. Now just multiply it. 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. So yes or no? 12. Shake your head if it is yes. Pushpa. Yes. Okay. So ultimately, look, we have changed the place. So the position has been changed. So look, 3 comes in 4th place, first position, and 4 goes to the last place. Then also the answer is same, na? 12 and 12. Yes or no? So that means if we change its order, ultimately the answer will remain same. Look at this. 2 into 3 is equal to what? 6. So here, and if we take 3 first, 2 last. Understood? So suppose 2 into 3 is equal to 6. But now we are taking in such a way, 3 will be coming in the first place. 3 into 2. Look, we have changed the place. 2 is in the last. Yes. Then also the answer will be 6. Yes or no? Sholanki? Devi, yes to, huh? Good. Acha, that means ultimately if we change its place, if we change its position, the resultant value is different or same? It is same na? 6 to. So ultimately we can say 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2, yes or no? Because both are the 6 is equal to 6, yes. So this is called order property of multiplication. Understood? Now just start to write it, okay? Acha, at first let me check it whether all of you understood this one or not. Shake your head, Shuhana, all of you, just I am not taking your names. Rishabh, yes, what happened? Acha, Lamia, Aditya, keep your camera on. Haan, okay, okay. Yes, ek Tamanna, haan, good. But you have to do this in your copy, not in book. Tamanna, Sheikh Tamanna, okay? Don't do it in book. If you have done already in book, then in the copy again you have to do right now. Okay? Rishabh, are you doing so? Okay, now just look at this. This is basically from page number 75, but you are not going to do it in your book. Okay? Shaptarshi, you have completed. Then do it fast. Sholanki, do it fast. Okay, now just write this order property of multiplication. Give heading. Then write this example, which I write just right now explained. 2 into 3 is equal to 6 and 3 into 2 is equal to also 6. So ultimately, look, 2 into 3 and 3 into 2, both are same, both are is equal to 6. That one only I have written here, huh? So we can easily write 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Just write this. Now page number 75, this sum you have to solve. Acha, don't do it in your book because from page number 17 the sums are here, but I have given some extra sum. Huh? These last 2 or 3 sums which are not in your book. Okay, I have given this extra sum. Okay, so all of you do it in your copy first. Now, let me explain this page number 75. Suppose one question is given. Just look at this. 2 into 9 is equal to dash into 2. How to solve this? All of you look at this very carefully. How to solve this type of question? 2 into 9 is given though. So definitely we will just change the place now. Just will change its position. So here in the first part, 9 will be there. Look, just look at this. 2 is already present there. Which one is not present? 9, so it will be 9. Is it clear to all of you? Alvira, Sheikh Tamanna, Onkon. Okay. Acha, Pranovi, Aditya, Riddhima and Mohammad Riaz. Keep your camera on. Devattam, why are you late? Acha, you can't mute, you can't unmute yourself right now, Devattam, as I'm sharing the screen. Okay. I'm coming back to you after a few minutes. Okay, now complete this. Acha, this first one, it is given 3 into 5 is equal to dash into 3. Look, 3 here, 3 was in the first position, here it has come in the last position. Now here 5 is in the last position, second position. So here 5 will be in the first position, na? Only just we will change its place, okay, its position. Suppose this one I am explaining, box into 3 is equal to 3 into 8. So what will be the answer? Look, 3 is already present, here is also 3 present, but here 8 is in the last position, na? So definitely here 8 will be in the first position. So it will be 8. Understood too? All of you understood? Shake your head if, acha, okay, okay. Lamia Iban? Lamia, is it clear? Complete this. Then I'll give you some extra question, okay? At first complete this one. Suppose this one, okay? 6 into is equal to 3 into 6. What will be in this, fill in the blanks in this box? Look, how to check it? Basically 6 is present, here 6 is present, and the position has been changed. Here it is first position, here it is last position. So now look at this, where both the numbers are given. In the second part, so here it is 3 given, 3 is in the first position here. So definitely in this box, in this last position, this 3 will be there. Yes, so okay. Complete this first. Shuhana Malik, have you understood? Okay. Completed up to this. Achha, no need to do this one. Huh? You are not writing this one. Only up to this. Only up to this box. If you have completed up to this, then you can raise your hand. Before that, I am giving you 4 minutes. Okay. 4 minutes I am giving you. Within this 4 minutes, complete this one. All of you give heading extra questions. First one, 12 into 4 is equal to dash into 12. Fill in the blanks, okay? Next one, 36 into 6 is equal to 6 into dash. That's a third one. Basically, first you have done by of 1-digit number, na? And now we are doing it of 2-digit number, okay? 17 into 7 is equal to, no need to even do the multiplication, understood? So just concept. 17 into 7 is equal to dash into 17. Now the fourth one. 10 into 10 is equal to 10 into dash. Now do the next one, fifth one. Eleven into one. Now seventh one. 42 into 10 is equal to dash into 42. And this is the last one. Complete this first. Complete this. You have to do it yourself, huh? If you have completed, send me that hand raise sticker. Raise your hand. That means send me that hand raise sticker. Acha, those who have not completed, take a screenshot, okay? Today I am not going to say this solution, huh? This one I will say tomorrow. Basically, I'll check your copy. Today I'll check your copy, okay? This aids. Acha, you have the homework, na? So, let me solve it today, okay? All of you completed, so only 11 students raised their hand. Now let me explain. This is very clear, na? 12 is there, first place, here it is in the last place, right? So here 4 is in the last place, so here definitely it will be 4. Now 6 is present there, 6 is present there, 36 is there, here 36 is not there. So it should be 36. That order property. Here look, 17 is there, 17 is also there. 7 is there, but here 7 is not there. So 7, 10 into 10, both number are same. Here 10 into 10, it will be 10. Okay, 10 into 10. Now look, are you able to see the full page? अच्छा 11 into 1 is equal to 1 into 11. 42 into 10 is equal to the same thing. 10 is not there. 10 into 42. 16 into 12 is equal to 12 into 16. Here look, 6 is there. 6 is also there. 15 is there, but 15 is not there. Here 15 will be in the first position. Here 15 is in the last position. Completed. Now let me check the